Hello, I'm speaking to you from a very zen place because we're doing the recovery week and it's very relaxed here. I just did day 28, so I'm here. I'm in the week between this is where the madness goes on, but this is where we are right now. This is where we relax. As we had said before, it's not a complete recovery. Like, yeah, it's not yoga. It's not yoga. You're still doing the hard thing then, but you're doing them much slower, so it's kind of easier for you, and then you get to feel the workout more that you're doing it. And Shaun's voice is very soothing. He's very calm. You know, normally when he's telling you to do suicide, he's like, go, down, in, out, up. Now it's like down and out and in and up. It's very relaxing for Shaun this week. It's a more pleasant Shaun to me, but me know say I come back. Only need to watch the week here. Me know me I treat it like so proper. Only need to watch this week. This week, this is Tanya's week to shine. This is Tanya's week to shine. She come here to put on a performance for the children. Believe me, you just watch. Me not gonna say nothing. No, you just watch. Like, me have to do this for like 7 days. So later I'm gonna come and explain to you what is taking place. Only know say my house have certain limitations, right? And the young man downstairs, he don't like this week because there's a heaps of jumping along into this week. He's not gonna like this week. The next thing is, you notice that my roof kind of slope, right? And it kind of low. Alright, I jump something going on. I cannot jump high because if I put up my hand and just stand up, I am touching the roof. So if I jump, I am breaking my knuckles. So when I do the I jump, I have to just do so and just jump like that. Yeah, that's what I have to do. It worked out for me. I don't mind it at all. You know this, I'm smiling because I love it thing that Shaun love to do. He was going to sick of it this week. He's not smiling because he loves it. He's smiling because he's a sadist. Have you ever done like shoulder burners? Alright, you just do your answer till you feel like you're dead. And then when you feel like you're dead, he's like, okay, now start move them in a circle. And when you don't move them in a circle, he said, no, move them backwards in a circle. And like when you are ball, like the tears legitimately come down your eye, he's like, I'm smiling because I love it. You're smiling because you are a sadist, Shaun. You're a sadist, but I appreciate you because you're bringing me to a better place. Me telling us I'm accidentally walk upstairs yesterday. You have some stairs from the building where bust me every time. Stairs are not good for me. I'm not good with stairs. You have some stairs from the building where bust me every time I walk up. Them say me a drop red. And I say, God, no make nobody walk up there. Me and see me out for collapse. Yesterday I walk up the stairs accidentally. I never ever realized I'm reached the top. Me I look for the next set of stairs to go up, and them was not there. So it is working. Yeah. Anybody who wants to know, like, if I lose weight and so I don't weigh myself. I don't weigh myself. I go by how the pants feel and whether or not I can run up the stairs. Because for me personally, it's not about losing weight, it's about gaining fitness. But for those who are wanting to lose weight, I highly recommend that you weigh yourself weekly and you will get a little feeling of encouragement from doing it. I did used to do it that way one time. I don't really feel for the way thing this time. But do it weekly, because when you don't lose, it motivates you to do more the next week. Like if you have a bad week, you can definitely tell by the end of the week when you weigh yourself. So whatever you do, be consistent with it. Tomorrow is my day off, so Saturday we'll be back here. I'll be working out in a new location. Yeah. No, it's not like me not got that I like no sauna or have no fields in a no background or nothing. It's gonna be another apartment. Come on now, I'm on a student budget and my friends are as well. We do have town house, we have apartment. Come on. So right here, recovery week. Everybody work there in a them place, so hurry up and come meet we. Let's go. Okay. Happy weekend. Enjoy yourself.